If you're looking for a simple, powerful way to manage leads, contacts, and deals, HubSpot's free CRM is a great place to start. And the best part is it only takes a few minutes to activate. Here's how to do it. Head over to HubSpot.com and click on Get HubSpot Free. Sign up with your work email and follow the steps to create your account. Once you're in, HubSpot will ask you a few setup questions about your business. Just answer those to customize your dashboard. After that, you'll land your HubSpot portal. From the left sidebar, click on contacts, and you will see the CRM in action. You can start adding contacts, companies, and deals right away. Everything is really automatically tracked, from emails to notes to activity logs. To make the most of it, go to the settings gear icon and connect your email account. This allows HubSpot to log your conversations automatically. You can also install the HubSpot Chrome extension to track emails, schedule meetings, and use CRM tools directly from your inbox. And that's it. Your free CRM is now active and it's ready to help you manage your customer relationships with ease. If this was helpful, like the video, subscribe for more beginner friendly tools, and let me know in the comments if you want help automating your sales funnel inside HubSpot.